Well, hello everyone. This is Geo, and I just went to a premiere by Beverly Black, and it was on short sampling, as you see here. Now, how do you get to this portion that I'm talking about, or this box that I'm talking about? Okay, we want to you want after you upload your video and you put in your description, you come all the way down to past your thumbnails and everything like that, your tags, you will see short sampling. Now let me tell you what short sampling is all about. It allows people to create shorts using parts of this video. So whatever video you upload, this box is always going to have a check in it. It's the default check. So it's going to be there no matter if you upload a video tomorrow and you don't uncheck this, where you are allowing people to use portions of your video in their shorts. Okay, so let me just read it all here. Allows people to create shorts using parts of this video. Turning this off will permanently delete all short sampling its content. Not all videos can opt out, and it asks you to learn more here. Okay, so what you do is every time you upload a video, remember to come here and uncheck that box. Unless you want people to sample your content, you can leave it checked. But if you do not want people to sample parts of your video that you are uploading, then you uncheck the box, okay? And then you would come here and click save. I had already did this one. Okay, so that is why I cannot press to save at this moment. But let's go and do another one. Okay, I'm going to go over to, and another thing is you have to do it one by one. You have to go and do all of this one by one. And that means each video that you have to go and scroll, click it. Go to video details, scroll all the way down, hit the show more here, come all the way down until you find short sampling. And you see, it's already checked. So you have to uncheck it. Make sure you save it. Save it here. And then don't forget to go over here to learn more and see what they are talking about. Okay, use audio to create shorts. Create shorts with sample audio content. And then it tells people how to exactly do it. Okay, learn more about sampling content. So, guys, they're giving you all the information here. So, make sure that you go here and you click learn more. But in the meantime, go through all the videos that you don't want people to use in their shorts, some of the content that you created. You have to uncheck this box here. This is Geo of the Information Girls. Make it a great day.